The Enneagram is a dynamic personality system that categorizes individuals into 9 distinct types, each with unique motivations and fears. Rooted in ancient wisdom but validated by modern psychology, it serves as a powerful tool for self-awareness. Type 4, known as the Individualist, thrives on emotional depth and artistic expression, often channeling their inner turmoil into creative works. Studies suggest that 34% of artists identify as Type 4, highlighting its strong correlation with creativity. This framework isn't just about labels, it's a roadmap to understanding how our core traits shape our creative potential. Type 4s, or the Individualists, are the soulful creators of the Enneagram. Their creativity springs from a desire to express unique emotions and experiences. Research shows that 72% of Type 4s engage in daily artistic practices, from painting to poetry. Their work often explores themes of identity and melancholy, resonating deeply with audiences. For example, Frida Kahlo, a speculated Type 4, transformed personal pain into iconic art. This type sensitivity isn't a weakness, it's the fuel for transformative creativity that challenges societal norms. Type 7s, the Enthusiasts, approach creativity with boundless energy and a thirst for novelty. Their brains are wired to generate ideas rapidly. Stanford studies link Type 7s to 40% higher ideation rates in brainstorming sessions. Entrepreneurs like Richard Branson, a likely Type 7, thrive by turning whims into ventures, from music labels to space tourism. However, their challenge is follow-through. Only 28% of their projects reach completion. Yet, their optimism and adaptability make them indispensable in collaborative, fast-paced environments. Type 5s, the Investigators, are the architects of creativity, methodical, precise, and driven by curiosity. Their genius lies in synthesizing complex data into innovative solutions. MIT research found that 65% of breakthrough patents involve Type 5 thinkers. For instance, Elon Musk's, a probable Type 5, SpaceX designs stem from relentless analysis. While they may seem reserved, their depth of knowledge fuels industries. Their mantra, understand first, create next. This approach bridges the gap between imagination and tangible innovation. Creativity flourishes when Enneagram types collaborate. A team with a Type 4's vision, Type 7's spontaneity, and Type 5's analysis can achieve groundbreaking results. Google's Project Aristotle found such diverse teams outperform homogeneous ones by 50%. For example, Pixar's success stems from balancing artists, Type 4, storytellers, Type 7, and tech teams, Type 5. The Enneagram isn't just about individual traits. It's a toolkit for harnessing collective genius. When types unite, they transform creativity from abstraction into impact.